Hello and welcome back. During this quick tutorial you will find out how to get rid of super glue stains. Sometimes things go wrong and CA glue leaves nasty residue on the plastic. This problem will soon be a distant memory. VMS Glue Remove Super Glue Debonder will allow us to remove CA glue residue without doing any damage to plastic. It's also safe to use with resin and 3D printed models. The bottle comes with an applicator brush for convenient use. Apply some debonder over the problematic area. Let the debonder work its magic for several minutes. We will also need a scrubber brush. You can make it out of an old or cheap flat brush. Simply shorten the bristle like so. "5 minutes are up. Let's do away with the glue residue using our scrubber brush. Hardened glue turns into easily removable gel while the plastic remains unaffected. Once half of the glue is removed, we apply some more debonder. We scrub a bit more to make sure we got rid of it all. Let's wipe the area clean and see how we did. In case you are wondering, VMS Debonder is non-toxic and has very low odor. There is a tiny bit left, let's do away with it. Excellent, we removed 100% of the glue residue. Use hairdryer to evaporate any remaining debonder. There we go. The glue stain is gone and plastic remains intact. Thanks a lot for watching, hope you found it useful, and see you next time.